Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to check nearby Snapchat users. So first, you just have to launch your Snapchat application and make sure that you're using the latest version of your Snapchat application. Now, what you're going to do here is to tap this person icon or profile at the top left corner. And then what you're going to do here is to simply scroll down till you see the Snapchat map. So you have to scroll down here, just scroll down, and then you will see the Snap map. So all you have to do is to enter, tap to explore Snap map, and then here you have to make sure that you allow your location. So tap allow here, and then automatically you will see the people or the friends in nearby. So you can check for nearby Snapchat users by tapping this OK. Then also you have to make sure that you have disabled the ghost mode. So where can we see that? So tap this gear icon and toggle off this ghost mode. So when enabled, your friends can't see your location. So you have to turn this one off. Now you can go back and check for nearby Snapchat users by zoom in, zoom out, or tap the person or the icon or the character specifically. You will know their specific location, their region, the country, also their names here. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.